Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Kainat Balouch and welcome to my channel English with Kainat Balouch. So in this video I will tell you that how to practice English. If you people are alone and there's no company at your home or somewhere there where you are learning English, doesn't matter, because in this video I have few fire tips that I'm to bring out. If you are going to watch this video till end, this is going to be helpful, good and beneficial video for you all, in which I will tell you that how to speak English practice. How to preserve practicing for English alone. In morning, as you wake up, just talk about the topic or the activity or the work that you are to do. Say just simply, now I'm to take bath. And after that, whatever your next work would be, think about that. Talk about that. After talking about that, then just talk about anything else. What will happen in this way? You are going to preserve the habit of your speaking. Once you become habitual of speaking English and practicing it every day, every single problem is going to be solved by you all. So what you all have to do, as you wake up, you just need to start talking about the work or the activity that you are to do in that day, or the thing that you have targeted, or the routine that you thought that I have to do this today. You can talk about that work. Okay, this number second is think in English. So thinking in English is the third or the fourth stage of learning English. If you people want to practice lonely, then just think in English directly. Okay, not like this that मुझे पानी चाहिए. You should say I need water. This is what directly think in English. Okay, and during this process, when you are going to do this, you haven't to let anybody realize that you are thinking. You are converting sentences from Urdu or from your mother tongue to English. You haven't to let anybody realize this. You haven't to bring out it. You haven't to expose it. Because if you will do this, then people will think that you are this, or that your English is not good, or something like this would be said by them. And you people know then very well that when someone think happened to us wrongly, then because our mind catch negativity immediately, right? So that's why start thinking in English. And thinking is not just going to improve your English, it will also change your daily routine, it will change your habits, it will increase the percentage of your thinking. What you have to do, you directly have to think in English. As I told you, मुझे पानी चाहिए, you have to say I need water. मुझे घर जाना है, you have to say I have to go to home. मुझे आपसे बात करनी है, I have to talk to you. You can, whenever you have to talk to someone, just think in English and then expose your opinions, your ideas regarding to that topic that you are to do. Tip number second is what? Think in English. That I have told you, that I have discussed already. Then is pronunciation hacks. Now, what will happen in this tip? You all have to use 5 difficult words every day. Look for difficult words in each and every dictionary every day. आपको क्या करना है? आपको डेली बेसिस पे 5 न्यू वर्ड्स एंड डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स को कलेक्ट करना है डिफरेंट बुक से. They should be difficult words, because here we are talking about pronunciation hacks. Now simple, easy, common words could be pronounced by us in such easy way, but when the time will be coming for pronunciation, for checking out the pronunciation of difficult words, you will be facing a problem. Okay, now let me tell you for those kind of words that are being pronounced by everybody in such a wrong way. The word comfortable. This is not comfortable. This is comfortable. What? Comfortable. Change pronunciation of comfortable. Change it into what? Comfortable. For example, I'm feeling comfortable after speaking English. Of course, you will feel comfortable whenever you will be completing any kind of good work, right? And then what you have to do? You have to make sentence on that word after memorizing them, because it's not just difficult to take out the pronunciation of that word. If you want to improve that, if you want to use that also, then make sentence on that kind of every word. Then is word what? Grammar. This is not grammar. This is grammar. This is what? Grammar. Sometimes we say whenever we feel her grammar is great, his grammar is great, I'm liking her grammar. What? This is word grammar, not grammar. Then is character. This is not character, this is character. What? Character. Sometimes we should say, whenever we like the behavior, the manners, or the way of someone's speaking, we can appreciate that person like in this way, that you really have kept such a wonderful and evergreen character. I am liking it. How wonderful would it be whenever you will be exploiting this kind of novel and individual pronunciations while speaking English? Try to change pronunciations. If you people are unable to do this, then go to ChatGPT and ask from that what would be the pronunciation of this word, or what would be the pronunciation of that word. That will be helping you in easy ways. Then is word what? Now I am to tell you fourth tip. What is that? Practice fun methods. I mean, funny practice methods. For example, now what is to happen if you have to practice daily? Then you have to consider someone. I mean, you will have to, request someone for talking to you. I mean, you will be giving role to next person. You will have to start saying dialogue between each other. For example, here's your friend, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, whoever that is, doesn't matter. You have to say to that person that I need your 5 minutes, where you will have to play a little role. I mean, you will have to be shopkeeper. You will have to be shopkeeper and I will be customer because of practicing English, right? Then you will have to start talking with each other. What would be the conversation between that customer and that shopkeeper? Wow, I'm just liking it. I mean, it's great. This is best method of practicing. You can use. This is really different from everybody. This is not just going to improve, but this is also funny. And I'm sure most of you people can like funny kind of things. So this is one from that. So these were few tips that I told you. And if this video helped you, then like it, subscribe it, and share it with them who are craving for learning English in this way. Thank you.